This is Bam Bam. He was adopted and then left out on the streets to die. Not all dogs go to heaven, but with your help, we could give him the best we can. Bam Bam only has until about 7:30 to live, and it's 6 right now. Call us at 555dogsrule.com and help Bam Bam find a life somewhere other than the alleyways and streets of Vietnam. Come here, Bam Bam.